Hello, welcome to Christy Tips. We are looking at the 5 best ways how to apply lipstick like a pro. Tip 1. Prep your lips. This is the first and foremost, get your mirror well positioned. Prepping is key. You don't want to be walking around with dry, chapped lips, else your lips may end up looking uneven or patchy. Exfoliate your lips first with a soft, damp toothbrush, hydrate and moisturize them with lip balm or lip primer, and also allow the balm to sit for a few minutes to soak in. These steps ensure that your lips don't have any dry spots that may flake off and create the perfect canvas for lipstick with all-day staying power. Tip 2. Layer on lipstick from the center. Outward. When putting on lipstick, try drawing an X on the Cupid's bow with your lip liner. Place the lipstick in the middle of your lips and work outward. By concentrating your lipstick to the fullest part of your lips, you'll be able to control your application better and mitigate any mess-ups. Sometimes I give a smile to make sure that I'm getting in there. Please comment now or at the end of the video one of the tips that resonated with you the most. Tip 3. Work with your lip shape. If you have tiny lips, just like mine is cool. Putting on lipstick is very essential to a female's outlook. As for me, I love my lips being my point of attraction, not minding where I go, be it church, weddings, or shopping. Always remember that looking good is personal business. That should not be overlooked. Overdraw your lips with a lip liner will certainly make you look unattractive. Use a medium dark lip liner and lipstick that is a tad deeper than your natural color. You'll draw the liner to match your natural lip line instead of overdrawing. Opt for a darker color, which can aid in making your lips appear smaller, while lighter colors can make them look larger. Tip 4. Apply the lipstick. Once you have finished all the above steps and you finally pick your lipstick color, now is the time to apply it on your lip brush. After you have finished applying it on the lip brush, now apply it evenly all over your lips. Don't miss out on the inner corners. And also remember to use moisturizing lipsticks that also condition your lips. Tip 5. Blot and set your color. Once your lips are perfectly coated, the formula is set, add a lip gloss. It will make it look shiny and attractive. Blot your lips at the end. Don't rush it. Do this by gently squeezing your lips together over a tissue or napkin to remove excess product and prevent slippage. Don't forget the corners. By following these tips, you can apply lipstick like a pro and achieve flawless and long-lasting results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in my next videos.